to the countdown.
Mabuhay Pilipinas and hello world. Good evening and welcome to our monthly webcast that focuses on episodes that explore relevant topics aimed at strengthening the bonds among our esteemed classmates and batchmates of the Ateneo de Zamboanga High School class of 1999 as we celebrate our Silver Jubilee year this year. Okay, tonight we are broadcasting live from the Magis 99 Center in the heart of Zamboanga City, Philippines. I'm your host, Engineer Tofi, and we are thrilled to have you join us as we celebrate the incredible fathers and father figures who profoundly impact our lives in so many ways. This is the 6th episode of Coffee with Tofi, a special Father's Day edition titled Mabuhay Ka, Tatay. So tonight's edition is not only a tribute to individual fathers, but also a recognition of the pivotal role of fatherhood in nurturing and shaping future generations. By the way, our show is also live streamed on Facebook, so feel free to interact with us in the comment section with your questions, comments, reactions. While we may not be able to respond to all your comments immediately due to time constraints, we will make sure to address each one after the show. Okay. And of course, don't forget to like and share. And send some stars to show your appreciation for our episode tonight. All right. So tonight we have invited 3 remarkable guests who will share their unique experiences and perspectives on fatherhood. So pour yourself a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and join us for an evening of laughter, wisdom, and inspiration. Let's kick things off by welcoming our first and second guest to the show. All right, our first guest is a multifaceted professional with a rich background in basketball coaching, entrepreneurship, financial advisory, and administration. Now happily married with a father of 2, he balances his personal and professional life while making significant contributions in various fields. He earned a Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting degree from the Ateneo de Zamboanga University in 2004, where he was co-captain of the ADSU Azul Aquilas and received the Loyalty Award for his dedication to the university. He then completed his Master's in Management and in Business Management at the Trinity University of Asia in 2007, excelling as an athletic scholar and team captain of the University Broncos. Professionally, he has served as a professor in the business administration at ADSU and in management at ICAS since 2007. He distinguished himself as a salesman at Zuellig Pharma Corporation from 2008 to 2014, earning Rookie of the Year, two-time Man of the Year, and Hall of Famer honors. Ikaw na. Moreover, he has been an AXA Insurance financial advisor since 2019. His community involvement includes membership in JCI Zamboanga since 2018, and he was honored as the ADSU Elementary Jubilarian Awardee in 2021. At present, he is the general manager of the Zamboanga Valientes. His diverse skills and dedication to excellence have made him a respected figure in his community and professions, inspiring those around him. Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome on the show a basketball coach, entrepreneur, financial advisor, administrator, ikaw na, Mr. Nino Reggie Natividad. Hi, Reg.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Engineer Chris.
It's
Thank
great
you
to
for
see
having
you.
me here.
Of course. And joining him is another guest batchmate, ladies and gentlemen, who is a mental health nurse and public health specialist from Ciudad de Zamboanga. He completed his Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the Ateneo de Zamboanga University and later earned his Master of Nursing with a major in Psychiatric Mental Health Nursing from Western Mindanao State University. Starting as a clinical nurse at Zamboanga Children's and Maternity Hospital in Ciudad Medical, Zamboanga in 2003, he transitioned to academia after 3 years. He is now a tenured faculty researcher and a research coordinator at WIMSU College of Nursing. He previously served as chair for the Extension Service and Community Involvement. Furthermore, our professor guest has been active in local and national psychiatric mental health committees and co-founded the Psychiatric Mental Health Nurses Association of the Philippines, Zamboanga Peninsula Regional Chapter. He is involved in developing mental health programs and is a national and international mental health speaker, advocating for the integration of communication strategies in health programs. Ladies and gents, please join me in welcoming to our show a dedicated mental health advocate, educator, researcher, and a community leader from Zamboanga, and a proud father and husband, Professor Michael Vincent S. Calantas. Hi, Vince.
Hello. Hello, my friend, Coffee. Thank you
Yes,
for
it's
having
great.
me here.
It's great to have both of you here, mga friendships. Yan huntugad syempre kita, este aura, so ustedes el dini special guest esta noche. So ready ba ustedes para the aton kape-kape session?
Hindi pa ready. Hindi, joke lang.
Kape,
Yeah.
Ali. Let me see your cup of
Kape.
coffee. See? With the coffee and
Yes.
coffee mug, di ba? So magbula-bulakan kita 3 ara noche, di ba? So empeza kita este entrevista, mga querido compañeros. Ready?
Yes, yes.
All right. Okay, let's start with a question for Reggie. Reg, can you recall your most cherished moments in high school?
My most cherished moments was when I was together with my classmates in Canisius. This happened when after the graduation. So we had a bonding. We went. It was our first time to really went out and bond together. Maskinway o lisensya at that time, I was driving the jeep of di Mamadat, the attorney Kahayon.
Alagad
So we
ka.
were together with Kabar Tapasya kami on doon. It's one of the most cherished moments.
Mhm. So onde kaya ko sa out of town aki or aki lang na
May,
or
aki lang na Zamboanga, pero hindi na yung pwede mention na onde kami anda.
grabe no antes no mas kinuay lisensya kaya lang syempre kita basta lama courage para man-drive kay antes mo sabi yun ang mga checkpoints pa antes igual ba arat at check na gayon?
During the time lakas ng loob lang Uncle kasi syempre chinebaker.
Mo
Kaya at the time kasi we were chine kami student pero na pagkat hindi kami non-professional. Hindi pa non-professional license.
Alright.
So,
nice recall of memories, ha? Okay, alay ka kay Vince. Vince, could you also share with us your standout memories from Ateneo High?
Standout memories. I think siguro most of my still with friends, classmates from the Cosca, no, Stanislaus Cosca Devil. Shout out sa mga Cosca diyan. Siguro akel time na el pinaka-favorite din yung taanda kami na kasi siya sa canteen antes on din na Bribuff Gym. No, kasi siya naman kita canteen na backfield. Siya naman si canteen na Bribuff Gym. El pinaka-standout memory ka din is akel the time when I ordered, still remember akel chili beef with beans, no? So actually yes, na bun.
Okay.
Na bun like hotdog bundle burger pero el disuyo laman is actually chili beef tapos with beans, no? So akal yan start gayot na parang yakeda doon naman noon yun na din yung classroom na pork and beans, no? So parang yaman stand out kay kumigo na wow, up until that time that I graduated, dol parang tan ko lang sila kumigo syempre. Takya si pork and beans because of that because of that particular meal meal tan offer el Ateneo during that time.
Awesome. So Reg, back then who did you hang out with the most? Can you tell your Barkada's favorite spot in the school campus?
Aside from my classmates, syempre high school tradition, sila Arvin, sila LD, sila Carlo Camins. My favorite spot kayo is El Basketball Court kasi parang 75% na Mio yan varsity kasi yung second year high school eh. So yung mga teammates namin na Pasarel, lower years and higher years. So it was a memorable moment kasi after kasi the klase diretso kami practice kun Coach Sansan and Coach Pedro.
So ibig sabihin galigid at the antes pagalaga tumahilig man basketball no kay ara coach man to. So at least pwede man balance dito yung studies pati sports, right? Kasi remember
yes, kasi
hilig ng mga sports antes pa.
Yes kasi Ateneo tan instill man kanato ang Ateneo na to have a balanced life. So doon pa rin kami yoga basketball kung hindi kami pwede pa sa LDAMON subjects. So we had to maintain our grades while representing our school. So it was difficult pero syempre kung enjoy to or kaya to na man tamen nga paano dol yakaya lang ba routine. So that's why after class gayon na yung tanto mga tambay moments sa sina. Usually na classroom lang ang sina na court, basketball court or after class or man cutting class.
Okay. Amazing. So Vince, can you also share some fun memories about your high school Dabar Cats and the adventures you had shared together?
Okay. For my time naman, for myself naman, my squad, ika nga barkada during that time, we are most after every like maskin na recess pa lang, siya sa Shop Ali, fronting del Immaculate Conception, no? Phil Bars Zamboanga. Ala kami taman spend our time um, tan tan tansel sa sila mga mga cards, mga NBA cards, collectibles, no?
Okay.
So ala kami tan spend time. So that's why up until now I still have those cards with me kasi tol parang I find it parang dream for me to become a player, pero since hindi man yun pwede man, I'm not that talented like Reggie, no? Na
Correct.
pwede man man ika nga kay the Partel Varsity team, pero since iyo medyo not that gifted, so tamang dream niya lang yo with that particular card in no on my hand na sana iyo kel. So that's parang my way na lang of actually being still in the sports realm still, pero I'm a very much also very very supportive with athletics kasi sabi yo kasi with basketball kasi we can compare it as our life, di ba Reg, no? Basketball is life na pwede tumira el practice, the discipline you need to have, no, in
Correct.
in performing some tasks, no? So Akel, those were my fun memories. So we have during our time we have Michael Takadena, my friend, we have Nico Faustino. These are my classmates na together kami kaadna na field bars just to meet and trade with other collectors also mga cards.
Di ba expensive kang mga cards? Akalimira yung last time akilya na ito matira na golf. Di ba
Actually
expensive?
Ara siguro yan value, pero during that time we just parang we collect it mga 10 pesos during that time per pack, no, the 50 pesos, pero as over time, especially if ever mga player yakeda sila noted and Hall of Famers, so yakeda altol value disuyo. So parang si Reggie dito investment yung nila kay
Ay, correct that say. Di ba yung alat? Kwanto bilo pa to Chene Ara for that mga sa ba 100 cards?
I cannot count actually.
Oh my goodness. Anyway, that's nice. Pero ano says Alya, siguro during break time, no? Break time, lunch time, and after school, right?
Actually, ta-accord dayo, di niyo parents ganit, taman sundo kumigo. Alya ka sila usually Tan Park, kasi sabi sila, alya ka to Staba.
Yeah. Okay, that's a really good recollection. Reg, how about you, Reg? Would you care to share about your crush in high school? And pretty much sure si Ira is online. Kaya amo gad sa usual question gad aton batch. Si Ira gad set up tan kasaste that initiate as a question. So who was your crush in high school, Reg?
Actually, Nateneo, di ba? Nateneo. Actually, manataman kasi during kasi that time, Bintorpe kasi yun, hindi ga trail otro, pero akil ba nung sabi yung atraka, pero hindi man na black one crush God, but admire ba El Beauty. So, baka rabya ka kumiko. Hindi, sige.
Pati high school pa mo.
Perception kasi,
Perception.
Chene kasi mga perception or si nadamo na classmates sila si Nikki,
okay.
kabar na perception si Dushel, kabar syempre sila Rina na Columbia, sila ba? I mean, appreciate to mga bonita ba del daton mga batch ba? And then si Leila Lynn Gutierrez, di ba?
Okay. Kasi si Leila, si Doki Leila, correct. Anyway, mga crush naman siya, di ba? It's good to reminisce ba gayod, no? That's awesome.
Yes, syempre. Very good to the eyes ba? Eyesight, vitamin C. Pero at distance lang. So,
yes, pero
appreciate na tayo mga bonita.
Pero Andres, napwede ka say, ayun na like inspiration na para na studio, right?
Yes, syempre, di ba, minato aga-aga pa lang, talya dito yung mga tamila to kanila, syempre, di ba?
It's like walking
so every time tamin.
Okay.
So, it was, balit tamin man reminins, kasi during, actually, Bentorpeo, pero during nga kay,
hindi otakre. Actually, hindi otakre.
Torpeo, Belasan.
That objective
Hindi ko
Cebu.
during our JS Prom, JS Prom, sino yung crush, sino yung mga crush na fourth year, batch
Higher
90.
year.
Bayla ka yun. Yan yung bayla kanila na kan. I asked for
See,
dance.
that's the point. This
Kasi, I remembered kasi, kung hindi yung kanila bayla, hindi na ba yung pwede man ko, I don't want to regret that night.
Wow.
So, yatra ka mga, diba ka na Christine Ruste, Asina, kaya mga, kami na to na, baka hindi na yung pwede mira kanila na to. Di ba? It
Mga
was open
princess
kasi mas
looking.
content to bayla during JS Prom.
Yes.
So, yung bayla to kanila, even kwanto seconds lang, pero mas el nervous when El Sodor Begres, so ba?
Grabe
Kasi
ang animo
nag-blush
di
si
Reggie, no?
And blush siya.
Na animo na lang kanika kasi syempre no man ables saliya sila diba graduate siya Yan pa ba? Manada bonita na Ateneo.
Grabe, no? Amazing mo si Reg. Crush lang yung pregunta. Ben crushes man niya dali. Kada section, chain eh. Na otro tamin sections, chain eh. Higher year, ikaw na talaga. So, how about you, Vince? Who are your high school crushes?
I cannot compete with Reggie kasi. Reggie kasi is much more observant, bueno di so eyesight, valid peripheral vision, timing at pang basketball. Me kasi more or less crushes from the immortal words of the late Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. I invoke my right against self-incrimination.
Hindi pwede.
Makarap na kali ko pinag-yung shoutout na lang
initials lang. Maski din initials lang, kahit object di aton mga batchmates.
Mucho tan
Just
object.
name one, siguro tayo nila to.
Admiration, same lang akal mga same persons na kaltablo si Reggie, no? We have kasi sila mga mga parang heartthrob crush ng bayan, crush ng section, no? So we have si Miss Duchelle, of course si VJ Brion, no? Si attorney. Who else? We have Tricia, no? These people mga Chinita looks, and of course na other sections also. We have Rina, we have Doc Leila Lin, no? Na section tayo di Amon, we have sina Maan Yu, no? These people. So we admire them kasi they have these distinct features na balik kanila mira from time to time. No?
Yes.
Okay.
It's funny that Brian is commenting here, just ko showbiz si Vince Calantas. Si padamay ko yung classmate.
Ablayo. Brian, I love you, Brian.
Nice bega duman kwento ko na sales kay for the very first time o sedes lang gados bien komportable gayod I mention na mga nombre kay mas kinakal di aton mga batchmates mo her during the Mother's Day special last month ay senior ben difficile gayod man juice out ken mga nombre siya otro gani mga initials ang nakabadali. So di ba? At least memorable dahil high school, colorful pa, di ba?
Yeah. Hindi siguro kasi siguro engineer, it's because siguro kami parang we are secured of our marriage siguro. Di ba, Reg, no?
So it was fun kasi to reminisce the time na tapoy tumira kanila. Actually, siya pa yung crush si Karen Pamaran, si
higher year?
Katie Baez, di ba? Higher
years.
Do
you remember, engineer?
Amazing mga si
Karen,
si Katie. So, mga bonita. I mean, kung beauty contest, mga ngayagana natin mga datong batch and higher years.
No wonder mga bonita doon sa this
Si Eloise.
Michelle Apostol, no? Mga
Blankilla. Those names you mentioned are really like the crushes of Ateneo High that time, no? So, all right. Reg, what keeps you busy these days? Perhaps talk about your work and family.
I'm honestly, I'm not a hands-on father. Si Kathleen, my wife, hands-on ngayon. So, I'm more of focus yo na jutay business asina and then Mio I'm also an financial advisor in AXA. So, and atal coaching, tan coach pa yung Ateneo High School, junior high.
Mhm.
So most of the time, tan revolve ali Dimio world. But as a father tamen, that's why para pwede mambawi, if extra send, then we go on vacation with my family, together with my 2 kids. So, alatan revolve kasi siyempre di ba as a father, kwanto dito yung pensamento buska to ba? Security in terms of finances. So,
Mhm.
most of the time iyo namin. Though my wife is also tayo she's also a businesswoman.
Mhm.
Tayo dila own business. So we have separate one lang. Tatrabaho ninyo. But she's
Okay.
more hands-on kasi nakasal.
Mhm. Kami na gani kuntigo, premier lang to bakasyon na States, bakasyon na wherever, na Thailand, di ba kin Hong Kong to kin last time? Hey senior, ikaw ya gayo, traveling around the world, Reg. Cover siya pa to, ay nako, dito yung AXA, I remember, man offers it ng mga batch di aton, kay para to
Oo,
insurance.
kung siya ng mga kasakalya, saka umiga lang man. Pwede bang present, di ba?
Segue pa, diba?
Thank you na plug
So Vince, could you tell us a bit?
Tapaka-sponsor? Tapaga ba, ano?
I know
Sino ba
man,
ako sa
okay
tapaga?
lang man. Open lang man kita. So
Thank you.
Vince, how about you, your work, and how do you balance it with your family life?
Actually, for now, medyo we are in a I would like to share this with you also. We are on the family is now on a particular difficult stage kasi my wife recently got diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer.
Mhm.
So medyo yan shake up gayot LD Amon
Foundation.
family. So I had to somehow request for a leave of absence from my work na I had to make sure na my wife is being taken care of kasi she has no background in healthcare. Kung sa kabigat pakimodo ins and outs, the
Mhm.
care kasi channel equipment na naka-attach na tissue body. So we have to clean that daily. So of course tali challenge kasi sometimes if we go on chemotherapy tachen at pagka moody, tali tissue irritability, but somehow it made me realize na mas kalikil takeda, mas stronger to takeda,
Mhm.
no? And of
You're right.
course, mga people that surrounds you, support system is very very important, no? With them, pwede kami man thrive to go on with life. And still LDME work, kali lang syempre I'm still at Wingsu. I'm connected with Wingsu. Specifically in the College of Nursing, I'm teaching there, no? Also doing researches. Pero I had to somehow pause that first kasi my priority syempre din my wife. I would just like to say thank you no to our university president for somehow allowing me to do that. So Akel, and basically we had to I need to dig in deeper to go on extra mile kasi I did not I did not expect it. Medyo yakin na nga guilty
Mhm.
na how come nurse I was not able to detect that to my wife, no? So parang
Okay.
hindi ka dapat manhapen era, no?
Mhm.
But then the cards were dealt that way, so we have to somehow accept it na lang gayon. So Akel, but life goes on, di ba? So we have to cherish every moment na takikita.
God. Yeah, we really commend you for that, no? Dito amor as a father and as a husband tanya gayon, and deserve gayon.
Thank
Siya na
you.
sila igual tata or asawa igual contigo, Vince. So God bless. Hopefully, your wifey would be able to recuperate and hopefully live a normal life again. Ikaw may
Thank you.
worries, Tina. So, let's pray for that. Okay? All right.
Thank you, Leo. Thank you.
Reg. Mhm. So, how many kids do you have ulit na, Reg? And what are their
Uh,
ages right now?
So my first kid is si Christian Rafael. He's 10 years old. And then si Kyrie Ron is 5 years old.
Wow,
Both
5 years.
boys.
Mhm. So, would you be able to tell us a little something about them?
Yes. There si Rafa is more of is very intelligent,
Mhm.
but he's also they both love cell phone. They always use their tablets. Kyrie is a type of kid na he can he can play alone maski nuayle uban tawag solo-solo. He's more of athletic. I say at Kyrie is more athletic dol kasemiya kami poko, pero si Rafa is more of pinesde dol and then kaya ko sa baba.
Uminta pa to, ano, bundle of joys for a family. Why not? Diba?
Komenta pa ba?
And more boys. Para magbuo dito yung basketball team. How about that?
Yeah. Actually, amo kal di mi bawo na kan di mi marriage bawo na as a basketball team, pero kapensa-pensa yo dos siya lang kasi syempre di ba? Bigkaro yung tuition natin or na Chongwa. So I have to manage both sides.
Yeah. You're right. Amo
Amo kal di lang mga kustumbre. Amo kal di lang mga kustumbre. But both are loving and I commend my wife for disciplining them. So they are both good kids. They are also what I love most about them is they're prayerful at taresagat sila. So hopefully they would stay that way, di ba? They would be guided.
So, okay. Let's go to Vince. Vince, how many children do you have now? And tell us briefly what they enjoy, or do they have any special characteristics?
Okay. I have two kids. Engineer Toffee. I have two kids. We have my firstborn is Inigo Miguel. We call him Nino, no? Inigo kasi nasa Ignatian spirit pa rin talaga tayo. So we call him Nino. He's already 15 years old, no?
Grande, ah.
And my youngest is Easy Mariela. We call her Miel, no? Si Miel. She's 14. Yan dayunan sa sila, 15 and 14, no?
1 year
Kota Derecho, si Reggie kasi boy girl dayo, no? In terms of characteristics, I can say na si Nino is more of an introvert type, no? He would rather be alone na room, no? Si Miel naman is the one that is extrovert, easy to have new friends, no? Easily to get along with. Medyo kung Nino tamen he has a hard time with emotions, no? Hindi latan show she emotions that well, while si Miel tamen very very emotional, sensitive. I guess opposite sila, pero good thing about them, they are very much appreciative of what is happening right now. Na thankful sila na they have still their mom with them, and as much as possible amo yung inculcate kanila to always pray and do what is best para kanila syempre, of course. And of course, abang tali si mom, no? always hope for the better, no?
Correct. So dapat good sa team support good sa.
See, first thing kasi yaman ano kami, yan kwento kami pati si wifey na ablale, do we have to tell the kids? Ablale, of course, no? We have to. Kasi they are not that young anymore. So para at least they are aware of what is happening to you, and we can ask also for their assistance and support also in terms of what if ngayon na house, no? Ngayon na casa, then they can also help.
Yeah, you're right.
Their
So let's shift our attention muna na di aton. Yeah, let's shift to our masasatalama aton comment section anay so I'd like to acknowledge the aton 500 viewers, Charis. 5,000 viewers. Then mucho good sila tan watch si Ann Aubrey, si Julian Cañete na Davao is also watching, Brian, everybody else. Hussein is very, very active. Aki, mucho good mga questions. So, hello daw, Coach Reg. Aba si Michael Takadena. Reg Porque Coloro Yatu. Yakematu. Senyor. Oo, ben mucho. Ben showbiz na pa ito. But si Hussein na convince niya kita, ha? Food lang. Stay strong, Vince. Praying for your wife's health according to Keita Rosa. So, muchas gracias kayo na aton mga tan-comment, mga tan-react. So, thanks for watching. So, guys, looking back.
Si shoutout kay Kun Michael Takadena kasi he was our parang a leader na ROTC.
Yes.
Okay.
He was our leader. I was under him every Saturday makal daton ROTC.
Correct. Aton CAT.
Citizen Army Training, Antes.
Correct. Antes. So kabatch si kami di Michael Takadena na yun na Bravo, the core logistics. I guess LL kasi ba si Takadena na medics pa kaya I'm not really sure about that. So looking back, guys, Reg, ito muna. Did you envision yourself as a father when you were younger? Or kapit sa bato ay baka kadayo ko so kero biye ko ansina.
Honestly, I wanted to be tol kung kasayo mga 40 years old yan sila or more. But
Is that so?
Pero syempre di ba there are things na takabiyabal course along the way. It was just parang amo lang yung kalkera na kasi ang mira yung family tamen struggle. We had the parents tamen may man last dila relationship, di ba? So nukereo ka sa era actually. Nukereo ka sa kasi kasi di may experience namin during college. And yung parents namin. But amo lang dol sila lang change of course ba. But pero kung if you are telling me na kasi mas kere yung syempre ara. Syempre mas okay kung kaya to father.
Correct.
Na wala to mila dito yung kids kasi amo kal dito kaya dito inspiration.
Did you meet your wife, your soulmate at school before?
No, actually I met her after yung graduate na college. I met her no sabi kasi inamora. Amo kal deberasan. So estaba yun na Manila, bakasyon, it was October tala sila practice sila accounting. She was first year college. Graduate niya yun na Ateneo. So I saw her. So iyo kasi natag-coach na accounting at that time. So amo kalimiyo kan ba. So sabi kasi inamora actually. So yaman niyo.
Di ka joke rin. Di ba? Senyor.
Fake news.
Mga kalawan, mga kamandag diretsi, senyor, mucho god si ways. Goodness.
Yeah.
Mr. Intensity siya.
Correct.
Palang,
Tan-agregat kita puno sa kita po rin.
Intensity na basketball. Kasi kami yung huyain.
Hindi gadget na credit. So,
Demarasan, demarasan.
so Vince, how about you? Who among your children carry similar qualities as you?
I think my daughter, no? Kasi she's more of an like, extrovert also. So me, I get along with friends dayo, no? I have
Mhm.
no I have no I have no difficulty in adjusting with new surrounding, new groups,
Mhm.
new classmates, no? Tan ta tan
Easy lang ang blend.
ganin sa ano chinabas di humor na like for example na online kami sila, no? We are waiting in one line, no? Mga a few kung kentang kwento
Social,
linya
social
siya
pagdating,
tumigo.
no?
May mini
That's nice.
may mini me.
Your
Yes,
mini
akal
me.
sa batele. And
That's nice.
dol parang amo el ways di amon also that we get to bond together kasi kere man go out, man hang out na malls and sina ano kami na then we get to talk also from time to time mga disiyo mga crushes about K-pop, no? I mean mga mga K-dramas ara, so she's also fun with that, no? While
Pwede
si
mag-relate kanila kami, no? Do you also watch with them?
actually, no, kasi I have wife means happy life. So I have no choice but to give the remote ko ng I have no choice but tamira lang tamin yung mga K-drama, mga K-series kasi they are into that also.
Hmm. Eto, Reg, mahilig pa tamin itong ng mga K-dramas, mga sino. Do you watch with your children? Do you play with them?
On sometimes
Mhm.
kasi we just go out watch cinema together if there's time. Play akil kan I do not usually play with them mga toys asina, but I usually play with them like Yol Monster asina eskonde sila during night time
Hide and
asina
seek, the usual.
P5 pa mas
Illegal
talama
bata.
kami. Yol Giant kabarta eskonde sila asina.
That's
Pamaganda
nice.
mga wego-wego.
So, Reg, in what ways do you see similarities or differences between your parenting style and how you were raised? Similar ba? Yan adapt ba to dito yung parenting style na dito yung parents, or you have your own particular parenting style?
Honestly, I try my best not to spank or scold by rabya ng mga bata, pero usually ta converse kanila. I talk to them like dapat they
Is
do
it
not do
na
like
closed
this.
door talking or na couch, kanya na living
Closed door. And I try to spank them if hindi kasi takre, closed door lang.
Okay. Okay, nice. How about you, Vince?
I explain for yon spank. Pero usually sorry. Okay.
How about you, Vince? Ang sino ba tamin to? Dito yung style or you have another style tamin?
Me, hindi ko sige na what my dad
Tag-cut kita, no? Pero ta pwede siyempre uhi. Lang masking tag-cut. You have like internet problem ka, ha? Choppy man sila. Oh my goodness. Hi, Reg, and Vince, are you still there?
Your network is lost.
Okay.
Yes.
We can still hear you. We can still hear you.
Yeah, okay, awesome. Okay, tangkat-kat ng denante. So, Vince, how has becoming a father changed your outlook on life since your high school days?
In a way na during my time in high school, all I focus is myself lang eh. No, what am I going to do? The here and the now, the present lang. You know, parang we get to live what is supposed to be happening right now.
Mhm.
No?
Okay.
While when I when I had Nino, so it changed big time, no? Pwede yung, I had to see things already in the future, kung sa kami dapat chene, kung sa sila
Mhm.
dapat man grow to become how parang we now look things forward, look advance, no? So which is not my thing antes kasi me I
Mhm.
more of a YOLO eh. Live once, what is right here right now, I'm gonna go with the flow. But when I became a father, it really changed a lot, no? Kasi
Mhm.
napensa ito kung sa kami what are we going to do? Ready ba sila for their school, for their things, no? Na
Mhm.
dapat nakalate para kanila.
Mhm. Okay.
That's the main changes ngayon, engineer.
Oh, copy that, Senyor. Pwede gud man-relate ang mga fathers sa men who are watching right now. Okay, let's go on to talk about challenges. So, Reg, what challenges have you encountered so far as a father, and how did you overcome them? For sure, mucho ka sa mga challenges along the way, right? So, how did you overcome them?
So, basically, maybe many would agree na same as Vince, number one kasi katil, finances eh. So,
Mhm.
as a father, start kami kasi yun na nuway gayon. So, I have to really innovate or improve myself. So, the challenging times kasi is uh, uh,
Choppy the aton connection. I hope we won't be losing you.
uh, pariya si Kathleen.
Mhm.
Failure,
You're still there? O tan Shopee man kita na
failure
signal ka no? At ulan ba puwera?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, go on. No, yeah, I think we're losing your connection. Pwede tuloy kumigo? Are you there, guys? Oh my
Engineer
goodness, yan
Vince?
hangya
Okay,
agad sila.
okay.
Okay, yeah. Ese, okay. Pero,
Tapos,
yes.
tapos eh.
Yes, pwede, yeah.
pwede kami
Yes, tapos kami uwi.
Okay.
Tapos kami uwi.
Okay, pwede, okay. So, let's go to the question, no, Akel, na fulfillment side. So, what is so fulfilling about your role as a father, Reg?
So, fulfilling is to see both of my sons, actually, yung grow sila na to be God-fearing kami.
Okay.
So, mukha kasi di mo yun kasi kelo. Real kasi security is if they come to learn, they come to know God.
Mm-hmm. Then lose kami connection. Ang signal ba siguro, no?
Kasi
So good.
it's para kumigo amokel to see them na secured to kung sabi sa
May mga-
Okay, taperde agad aton connection. Oh my goodness.
Ayun, baka tan ano, baka
Siguro naulan ka sa tiyempo di aton, no? So, okay. Sige. Vince, how about you? How has being a father influenced your personal goals and
ano
ambitions?
Antonio. How about right now? How about right now? Can you hear us? Hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello.
really.
Can you hear
Yes.
us?
Tankat-kat lang, pero
Okay.
better yaara.
If I may ask, if I may answer the same question kung Reggie, mga challenges, no,
Go, go.
for a father, kasi I would like to share.
So we're having technical problem na gayod na signal. Okay.
This is very important.
Mhm. Reg and Vince, your internet connection is not so good. We couldn't hear you anymore. You can tanhang ustedes.
Sino?
Still.
No hay mas yaman. Okay, no hay mas ya. Ano, pwede kita. But anyway, okay. I hope we could still ask questions, no? So for the finale, let's dive into the fast talk with Tofi. So I've got some super fun, light-hearted questions for you guys. All right?
Okay?
Okay.
How about
Okay.
right now?
Yeah, that's okay. So we're heading to our fast talk right now. So let's start with Vince.
Fast
Vince,
talk na?
yes. Vince, most memorable Father's Day gift you've ever received.
I think
Nayan, cut yatamen, Senor El Signal. So I could not hear you guys. Siguro na signal gagad siguro sin no tanhangad kita. So but anyway, yeah. Kapit uhi or not tauhi ustedes kumigo or not kasi iyon no pwede uhi ko na ustedes. So I guess the atong signal is not so good. Although we have prepared burito pa man sana mga fast talk questions di aton, but since we have technical difficulty, let's wrap up this first set of interviews, guys. And then sabi sa this, si Reg and Vince are always masayang kausap, no? Na mga batchmates when we have our activities, when we have meetings, mucho gusto sila chika. So Reg and Vince, thank you very much for sharing your fatherhood journey with us. It's been a fun and engaging conversation. So we wish both of you continued success and we look forward to seeing what the future holds for both of you. All right? Okay. So, and unfortunately, guys, El Aton third guest will not be able to make it kay actually Tandray Paele going to Zamboanga. So he has his family vacation and trip. So according to him, he might not be able to make it tonight. So at least we were able to interview two of our batchmates na ombre, mga fathers, mga tata, na pwede kita saka information about fatherhood, no? So, and that concludes our fun interview tonight. So I'd like to extend appreciation gani kun Vince and Reggie for your time and willingness to share your stories. And so as we wrap up today's episode of Coffee with Tofi, Mabuhay ka Tatay, we sincerely thank the two guest batchmates for sharing their personal stories and unique perspectives about fatherhood. But before we finally conclude, we'd like to highlight some real quick our batch efforts, plans, and announcements. So foremost, we would like to thank our sponsors And the participants to the Ateneo High School Matches 99 on Matches on Fire fundraising shooting event level 2 PPSA sanctioned match that transpired last June 8 and 9, 2024 at the Zapsa firing range in Lumbangan, this city. Miles de gracias con todo por ustedes suporta na di amon shooting event for a cost. Okay. So we also have the Koreana look vouchers. So avail of our VIP brochure offering 3,000 worth of services for only 999 pesos. So this initiative supports our preparation for the alumni homecoming in December. So contact any of our batch officers to get yours, all right? So the Alumni Homecoming 2024 calendar of activities. So December 5, that's day 0, arrival of alumni. The proposed class dinners, reunions, and activities would transpire on that day. On December 6th, the day 1, the Alumni Fellowship Night. We also have December 7, the day 2, we'll have the batch activity and faculty appreciation night. And on December 8, day 3, we'll have the blue and white ball, right? So we also have to plug our alumni homecoming raffle tickets. Okay, we will soon distribute the ADSU Matches Batch 99 raffle tickets with the draw taking place during the Alumni Fellowship Night sometime December 6th, I guess, at the Ateneo backfield. So each ticket costs 350 pesos only, giving you a chance to win very exciting prizes. All right. Consolation prizes, we have 5 winners of twin tab washing machine, 5 winners of 32-inch smart TV, 5 winners of Android tablet, 5 winners of dorm size refrigerator. Our third prize, ladies and gents, will be the round trip ticket for 2 to Hong Kong plus 50,000 pesos. Second prize, motorcycle at 100,000 pesos. And definitely, since we are batch 1999, our first prize is pegged at 199,900 pesos. And definitely, not to forget, guys, the alumni pledges. We call on our high school batchmates to send your pledges to our respective class representatives. Your contributions will significantly support funding for important initiatives, batch projects, scholarship programs, and events organized by our batch, all right? So you can send your pledges to the PNB bank account details displayed on your screen. So let's make a difference together, guys, all right? What else? We also have the Alumni Association info update. Oh yeah, I remember that. So we would like to remind our high school batchmates to update your personal details via the ADSU Facebook page to improve our alumni database. No, sometime soon the ADSU AA will send out a link in their page for you to update your personal information. Kaya watch out lang tayo mga Kamachis 99. So I hope I haven't missed anything. So batchmates, let me know if I did the schedule. Yes, I did already, Rax. Okay, and special shout out to one of my 7 best of friends in high school, Katrina Marino, for happy birthday, and also to Zurich Chan, also happy birthday contigo. Finally, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our production team, our sponsors, and several individuals like Kate Rosa Apostol, for sure, El Diamond supportive talk show producer and directress, masking stress, work lang syempre para na Coffee with Tofi production. So Brian Bango, hi Brian, our show co-director and co-writer. Of course, our alumni batch 1999 president, Ms. Sylvie Agravante, and the incredible steering committee for your unwavering support that fuels our mission to deliver insightful conversations and thought-provoking content to our audience. Our coffee sponsor, as always, Win Bubble Tea. See that? Hindi lang kape, kundi acetamin refreshment. Located at San Jose, Kawa-Kawa City for their continuous support. Of course, I'd also like to thank Miss Rona, my goodness, Fernandez, mi amiga, mi supporter, and my assistant here on the set, Koreana Look Beauty Clinic, KCC branch by Miss Mary Ann Tetel Mocanos, for my facial and skincare. Muchas gracias. Espresso Nail Spa, Talong-Talong Branch by Miss Sylvia Agravante for my bi-monthly hand and toenail care. So we have Sed Sabala, thank you also, and Jyoti Santa Teresa for your Coffee with Tofi logo and for the talk show background layout. Kael's Cakes, Crafts at Iba Pa for your awesome coffee mugs with the wooden lid. And of course, our Magis 99 batchmates for the absolute support throughout this journey. Muchísimas gracias por vuestro soporta na Coffee with Tofi in a Magis 99, right? So I'd like to thank all of you for joining today on this special Father's Day episode of Coffee with Tofi. We've had insightful conversations exploring the joys, challenges, and profound experiences of fatherhood. So from our guest stories of resilience, love, and commitment, we've been reminded of the importance of father figures in shaping our lives and communities. So as we celebrate fathers everywhere, let's continue to cherish and honor their roles, not just today, but every day. Remember, whether you're a father, a mentor, or someone who provides guidance and support, your impact is truly admirable and invaluable. From all of us here at Coffee with Tofi, we wish all fathers a belated Happy Father's Day. May your journey in fatherhood be filled with love, laughter, and cherished moments. Thank you for being our heroes, the heroes in our lives. Until next time, this is Engineer Tofi signing off. Stay blessed and keep inspiring. Cheers!